Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to use a slope-intercept form to graph a linear equation. So the question is, what is a slope-intercept form? We have standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. That's standard form of a linear equation. But sometimes the linear equation comes in slope form. Slope form is mx plus b. B is the y. For example, y-intercept. See the y. So mx translate of y's over 1. Y's is can be up, it can be down. Okay, it can be up or down. So 1 is always go to the right. Okay, let me repeat. Rise is always going up and down. Okay, it's up when it's positive, it's down when it's negative. Okay, so 1 always go to the right. You're gonna see that. Okay, so remember the slope form is mx plus b. For example, the first equation is in the slope form. The slope form is mx plus b. 4 is the b, 1/2 x is mx. So this is the slope form. Okay? So for example, you have number 2 equation. This is not a slope form. In order to graph this equation, I will need to transform this standard form to a slope form. Okay, I will do that for the third equation also, because the third equation is in standard form. I will need to convert the standard form to a slope form. Okay, so you know that in order to convert the standard form to a slope form, I will need to use the prerequisite, the skill I have from solving linear equation. You know that the first skills you learn, you will use it now in order to transform the standard form to a slope form. Okay, so all I give you now is the detail. So I'm going to do some example to show you practically to how to graph a linear equation using slope form. Okay, let me use the practice for you to show you. Okay, so the first equation is going to be y equal 1 over 2x plus 4. So I can tell you using slope form to graph linear equation is easier than using table of values, because table of values you need more time to do that. But for the slope form you don't need table of values. I'm going to show you. So mx, you know the slope form is mx plus b. So therefore this is the y, therefore 4 is the b. Okay, 4 is b. You can write it down. This is the b. Yes, this is the b. You can write it down. Okay, or you can translate 4 is the y. Okay, so now we have mx. Remember, when we say mx, it's going to be y over 1. Okay, this is going to be up, 1 unit up, and to the right is going to be 2. So that's all you have to remember. Yes. So 1 unit up and 2 unit right, because this is a positive, this is a positive. So when it's positive, I told you it's going to go up If it was negative, it would be down, but it's positive, it's going to be up, okay? 2 always go to the right. I'm going to show you. Let's start. Let's graph it. Let's graph it for you. So, see the number line. As I told you, that's easier than table, okay? So let's do that. Number line. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, this is negative number. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative numbers down. Positive. Okay. This is the horizontal. This is the vertical. Yes. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, pay attention. So 4 is the y, so I'm going to place the 4, place the point first, okay? 4 is the y, with the y here. I place the y first. Remember, place the y first. So 1/2 means 1 unit up, okay? 1 unit up. So it was 4, it's going to be 1 unit more, it's going to be 5. Okay? So, it's going to be 5. Remember, 2 unit right. 2 unit right mean right here. Okay? 2 unit. Boom. Okay? Let me replay it. Let me do it again for you. You place 4 first. 4. Right here. Boom. Okay, you count 1 unit up, 1 unit up, boom, right here, 1 unit up, 2 unit to the right, 2 unit to the right, you count, 1, 2, you see, 2. So now, I'm done. So I can graph now. I can graph. That's not difficult. I'll show you the hard way first, okay? We use table first before you know the easiest way. That's it. That's it. How do I know my graph is right? My graph is right because this is a positive function. My graph must lean to the right. Exactly, lean to the right. If it was a negative function, my graph would lean to the left, okay? But because it's positive, it's lean to the right, okay? So that's how we graph with the slope form, intercept slope form, okay? Slope intercept form. So now, we're going to do the second exercise. The second one, remember, it is not already in slope form. We're going to put it in slope form, okay? Let me erase the first one so that I can show you. Let me do it first. Okay, so let's do the second one. The second exercise is 2x plus 3y equals 6. Okay, I will need to transform this standard form of linear equation is in slope form, okay? So I will put this form as mx plus b. Exactly. I will transform this standard form into mx plus b. How am I going to do that? I'm going to do that by subtracting 2x from both sides. Okay? Subtracting 2x from both sides. Let's do that. 2x plus 3y equals 6. Let's subtract 2x from both sides. So that's positive 2x, negative 2x, that cancel. Went down 3y. So negative 2x plus 6. So remember, I need y because I need to put it in y equals mx plus b. Divide by 3. Okay? So where is going? So that's going to be negative 2 third x. Okay? See? Negative 2 over 3x plus 6 over 3. So I can simplify. That's going to be y equal negative 2 over 3x. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is the slope form I'm talking about. The slope form. Okay? I will need this form to graph my linear equation. Let's use it. Okay? Let's use it. I'm going to use it to graph. That is the slope form. So let's do that. It's not difficult. Okay, number line. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's negative sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, negative numbers. Okay, this is the x, this is the y. So we ready to graph now. Let's be ready. Okay, this is what I'm going to graph. Let me model it for you. I'm going to model this for you. Let me model right here. Y equal negative 2 over 3x plus 2. Okay, let me model it. So, this is the y. This is the, this. Remember, this is going to be down. Boom. Down, and this is going to be to the right. That's all you have to remember. Because we have a negative 2 right here, it's going to be down. Down. This going to be to the right. So let's start. Place the y first. Y is right here. 2. To place it first. So remember, from 2 it's going to be down 2 units. Down 2 units. 1, 2. Right here. Right here. Okay. And go to the right 3 units. 3 units. Boom. Okay. Right here. Yes. Right here. Okay. Let me replay. So press 2 fast. Right here. 2. And go down 2, because 2 is negative, we go down 2 units. 1, 2, right here. And then go to the right 3, right here. So now I can graph. Very easy. Because you only need 2 points. There's nothing difficult. You only need 2 points. Boom. That's it. That's it. That's it. There's nothing difficult. That's it. So only thing you have to remember is transform the standard form, which is ax plus by equals c, in slope form. Okay? The slope form is y equals mx plus b. So I will need to transform my standard form to a slope form. To do that, you need to subtract 2x. You subtract 2x from both sides. So I will end up in a slope form, okay, which is y equals negative 2 third x plus 2. 2 is y, okay? I moderate for you. Negative 2 is down, 3 go to the right. Very easy, okay? It's easier than making tables, okay? Very easy. So let's do the last one. Let's do the last one. Last one. Last one. Alright, the last exercise is we have 4x plus 2y equal negative 8. Okay, we have a standard form. Okay, this linear equation is in standard form because it's present as ax plus by equals c. Ax plus by equals c. So I need to convert this linear equation in y equal mx plus b. Okay? Remember that. I'm going to convert it. How I'm going to do that? Let me write this down. 4x plus 2y equal negative 8. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. Okay? Subtract 4x both sides. So positive 4x, negative 4x, that cancel, bring down 2y. So write this first, 4x, negative 8. So now I need to divide both sides by 2 because I need y. So this one cancel, y equal negative 4x over 2. Let me write it down for you. Negative 4x over 2, that's going to be negative 8 over 2. So I will need to simplify. So negative 4 divided by 2, that's going to be negative 2x. So negative 4 divided by 2, that's negative 4. Negative 8 divided by 2, that's negative 4. Okay? So now, this is my slope form. My slope intercept form. Okay? I will need to grab this. So, look out. It's going to be easy. It's going to be very easy. Boom. I know you will like slope form better than tables. Because table you do more work. Okay? Number line. Number line. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is negative numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative numbers. This is the X, this is the Y. Okay. So now we're ready to graph. Okay. Before we graph it, I'm going to show you a technique. The technique is you have Y equal negative 2x, negative 4. Okay. What I can tell you, because I need to have a fraction right here, I need to have a fraction instead of number, so I put a 1 right here. Put a 1 there to graph it correctly. So, I will use, this is the Y. This is the Y. Okay. This is basically the Y. I will place the Y first. Okay. I will place the Y first. So, let's place it. Negative Y. Boom. Right here. Negative Y. So, right here, that's going to be down. Remember, because X right here. X. Because it's a negative number, that's going to be down. Boom. Down. Okay. Boom. Go to the right. Down. Go to the right. Down. 2 units. Okay. Right here. Okay. 1, 2. Right here. Okay. Down 2. 1 unit to the right. 1. Right here. Okay. Let me replay it for you. Let me replay it. Okay. Place negative 4 first. Negative 4. Right here. Okay. From negative 4, you count 2 units down. 2 units down from here. Right here. Boom. 2 units down. 2 units down. So, 1 unit to the right. 1 unit to the right. Boom. 1 unit to the right. So, this is my graph. That's not difficult. Okay. The reason I replay it, I do it several times, is because some students pretend they understand it, but after the class or after the instruction, they see they did not understand it. So that's why I do it several times, okay, for you, so that you can remember it, okay, practice, okay. So this is how we graph linear equation using slope-intercept form, okay, slope-intercept form. This is not difficult, but all you have to know solving linear equation, you know, that the basic you have to know. So you can graph right now. You know how to graph by using a table of values, and you know also how to graph using slope-intercept form. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. So all you have to do, or you can just type NuGuessMath to see all my videos, you know, to learn, practice, you know, practice. So share my videos. Thank you. You will always get my free math videos, okay? No problem. Thank you so much.